Oh, I love this. Isn't it just the best loading your gun? Just the best. 2 minutes. There we go. Yep. Here they come. Here we go, guys. Get ready. Take them. Reload. Take them. Reload.
Right place chicken, did it?
Nice shot, Kelly. God, you did it again off the right. Jeez.
That was amazing.
Good deal, boys. Wow. Now that is how they are supposed to do it. Right there. I got 2 or 3, I can't remember.
I got 2. I think you and I may have shared a 3rd.
I think we did. I'm gonna go with 2. Whew! Welcome back to another one. Welcome to Canada, y'all. Day 2. We're out here with the same crew. We got the crew going here. We got Kelly Bob. We got Kelly Bob right over right there. He just smacked one deep. We got Brad's back, and Michael is. I mean, guys, I don't know if y'all saw that first shot, but he's just quick. He's just quick popping them, trying to shoot before everyone else. Don't be that guy. Now, this is example number 2. If you didn't watch the first video, be sure to watch that one. That's example number 1 in there. No band.
No, but look at its belly.
Now he's belly shooting them. Guys, go for headshots. Headshots, boys. All right. Well, y'all stay tuned. Let me show y'all. We got the full bodies out today, so we're gonna fields dry, pulled the trailer in. More ducks coming, but full bodies. We got more ducks. So I'll show y'all the setup here in a little bit. Oh! Here we go. Yes. Take them. Nice. Take them. Nice. Heck yes. Man, I missed my first shot. More ducks above us here. Heck yeah, boys. Getting some geese, getting some ducks. Awesome. Big old honk there. Oh, I wish. What you got? Big old honker. All right, y'all, this is what we got. So we got the full bodies in a line surrounding our layouts. So I got to show y'all these layouts we grashed. They look really good. Basically a big line about, I don't know, 50 yards wide. Loosen. Ducks in the middle with the mojos. And then family packs out deep, about probably 60, 70 yards. Nicely done, eh, boy?
There you go. Ducks coming in front.
All right, me and Kelly got these. Ready, Kelly?
Yeah.
All right. Oh. Ready, Kelly?
Yeah.
All right. Oh. All right, boys. Boys on the left, if y'all want to know what it's supposed to look like, that would be it. Am I right?
Hey, put the thing back on. There's two coming in.
All right. You get down, boy. I haven't seen you in your blind yet. Door's still open. Kelly, get him.
Thanks for having my back, boys.
Oh, we had your back. Dang, that would have been a pillowcase. All right, we got him though. We got him.
Choked under pressure on the spotlight.
Oh. Take him. Nice. That duck is still sitting there. Are you kidding me? Who didn't get that left guy?
We're gonna blame Michael on that one.
Yeah, that was Michael's bird. Oh, get him, Michael, get him. Oh, dude, you may have shot the head off that one. Holy moly.
You redeemed yourself. That
was the sexiest cuffed up duck I have seen today. Wow. Whoa. That was about 5.5 yards there. Let's take a look at that.
Oh, just a pintail
20 gauge? Huh. Oh. Look at that. All the blind doors are open, but
I got a 7 right there.
Looks good.
Yeah, we're just over halfway then.
On the left. Take them. Get that one, Kelly. Nice. Oh, you didn't get him? He got out there pretty far.
Yeah.
Well, we put some holes in those two out front.
Look, he's going down.
Is he going down?
Yeah, going towards the woods.
There we go.
The mojo almost got her.
Good shooting, boys. Good shooting.
Right.
Oh. Man, they're doing it good. Wish the whole 5 would have came in here. Shoot them, boys. Yes! Get that third one. Look at all the seagulls. Oh, he's still going. Go down. There he goes. Nice shooting, Michael. Dang, nice shot, Brad. Awesome.
There was a massive seagull feed in here yesterday.
There was.
Oh yeah, huge.
Yeah, I'm gonna show these blinds off. These things are sweet. These are the rig 'em right layout blinds. A little brown right here from the rain, but they look good with decoys around them. They just look like hay bales, little hay bales. They look awesome. Let's scoot back. They just looks natural. Looks natural, like a natural square little hay bale in here. Right here. Kelly's always got a handful, y'all, if y'all haven't figured that out. Y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button because we just shot a limit of ducks in about 18 minutes or so. What you think about it, Michael? You love it here or what?
I love it. I'm moving here.
You're moving here?
Hey, there's pigeon.
There is pigeon. You're supposed to be shooting those.
This for you, Bobby.
Here we go. Come on, give us a spin.
Only 3 minutes.
On the left, let's take these. Take them, guys. Take them, guys. You got, we double pounded that one.
I almost tripled that one.
You did?
I thought about it. Like, yeah.
All right, that's a duck limit for sure, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. Awesome possum. Okay, after a cripple cleanup, guys, we were 4 short, so got them done. Got the ducks done for sure now, 100%. So put the mojo back up, I'm gonna take it back down. Those did it right. We're gonna sit here, wait about, I don't know, 30, 45 minutes for some geese, see what happens, but really appreciate you guys watching my videos. Day 2 in Canada has been epic so far.
You know what they were doing, Cole? They were flipping.
Michael's a wild animal. He's bred, they breed them different in Arkansas. He gets mad because he's from Texarkana, but I tell him he's from Arkansas. He gets a little mad about it. Take him.
Oh, no.
Get him. There you go. Shot right over him. He dropped down quick.
Your gun's fucking
Awesome.
loud.
You want to trade?
You got a 3.5 in there now? That's fucking why.
Goose time.
The what? He just shot over.
War cannon over here.
He was going for the head, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah, that's what I was doing for sure. Thanks for backing me, Cole. No
Michael's a belly shooter.
Me?
Yeah, you a belly shooter.
Did you see that one I
wing
said?
tip or something?
You always hit the belly,
Did
Michael.
you see that belly? Oh, you filmed it.
Is that another
When I
single?
took the ball.
Yeah, that's a goose.
Oh yeah. All right, Kelly's getting this one with the Beretta.
You.
All right.
Get him, Kelly. Dude, what the?
What? What'd he say?
You said get him, Kelly.
All right, we're all packed up, got the birds clean, ate some McDonald's, just pulled up to the house, probably about to take a little nappy poo. Finished up with 32 ducks and 8 geese. So 4 dudes, 40 birds, 10 birds each. Not a bad freaking day 2 here up in Canada. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're having a blast. Probably get 2 more hunts with the buddies before we get going for guide season. So trying to soak it all in while we can. Few of those ducks today just got absolutely obliterated. Michael triple on some honkers on the left side. Love to see it. Michael is here for 1 more day, and then he's got to fly out Monday morning. So super happy he's here. Get your buddies out, call them up, go hunting with them, especially if you haven't seen them in a while or if they don't get to hunt very often. Call them up and go get on some birds or something with them. Go eat lunch with them. Don't forget about your friends and family. Thanks for watching this video. Hit that thumbs up video, and let's grow this dang channel this year. We need to explode these videos and grow this thing. I want to do some giveaways, guys. I want to give away duck decoys, duck calls, hunts, $3,000 3-day meals, lodging, and all the good stuff. I want to give away some of this stuff one day, so we got to share these videos with our friends. Hit that thumbs up button, and the videos will go out to more people. More people will see them. Channel will grow. Everything that I get from this channel, I want to give back to you guys, because this isn't my main source of income or anything like that. So it's fun for me. I love filming. I love looking back at hunts. My memory is kind of shot from hunting so much we don't remember all of them. So filming really helps me be able to look back. Oh, I love that hunt. Blah, blah, blah. I'm just rambling. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here, by the way. And we'll go smash some birds later. Maybe in the next video.